While we age and wrinkle, a handful of billionaires are secretly reversing their biological clocks, and scientists say, it's working. They're not just slowing aging, they're rewriting it, resetting their cells, reversing time. But here's the catch. Unless you're one of the ultra-rich, you'll never touch this technology. From Silicon Valley bunkers to elite Swiss clinics, the wealthiest people on Earth are chasing something once considered pure science fiction: biological immortality. Jeff Bezos is funding Altos Labs. Peter Thiel-backed Unity Biotechnology. Sam Altman injected $180 million into Retro Biosciences. They're not just investing in startups, they're investing in eternal youth. This isn't cosmetic surgery. This is cellular reprogramming, gene editing, and age reversal on a molecular level. Meet the billionaires who treat aging like a curable disease. Some sleep in oxygen pods. Others undergo young blood transfusions, hoping to rejuvenate aging organs, a controversial process called Parabiosis. Bryan Johnson, a millionaire tech founder, spends over $2 million a year on a regime that includes 100+ supplements, constant body scanning, and even receiving blood plasma from his 17-year-old son. To them, aging isn't natural, it's optional if you have the money. They call it biohacking, but for the rest of us, it's bio-blocked. It sounds insane until you realize the science is real. Researchers have discovered Yamanaka factors, a group of proteins that can literally reset adult cells to a youthful state. In mice, they reversed aging in just weeks. Then there's senescent cell therapy, clearing zombie cells that cause inflammation and age-related diseases, or epigenetic reprogramming, which could one day switch off aging like flipping a gene-coded light switch. These breakthroughs are no longer in theory, they're in testing, and billionaires are the guinea pigs and the gatekeepers. The price tag to join this elite club, anywhere from hundreds of thousands to millions per year. Cryogenic preservation, full-body DNA mapping, personalized gene therapies. These aren't covered by insurance. They're funded by tech fortunes and hedge fund profits. While the rich are fighting to live past 120, the average person is struggling to afford basic health care. It's no longer a gap in wealth. It's a gap in lifespan. If billionaires stop aging, what happens next? Will society become a two-tier system? The immortal elite and the disposable rest? Could immortality collapse economies, destroy generational cycles, or even lead to civil unrest? And what happens when these technologies reach AI, allowing minds to be copied, upgraded, or even downloaded? This isn't just a race against aging, it's a race for control of the future human body. If age reversal becomes real, do you really think they'll share it with everyone? Or will it stay behind closed doors? For those with the right bloodline, the right connections, and the right bank account. The truth is, the science is already here, but the system isn't built to let you access it. They found the fountain of youth, and they put a price tag on it. Imagine what you could do with 50 more healthy years. Another century with the people you love, a second chance. Now, imagine it's all real, but you'll never get it. Should this technology belong to everyone, or just a few? And if you had the chance to live forever, would you take it? Comment below, would you choose immortality if it meant others couldn't? Subscribe to Future Mind for more deep dives into the tech they don't want you to see, because the future is closer than you think.